Okay, welcome to our tutorial on converting units. So you're going to be doing this quite often in AP Physics, and this is just a little bit of a tutorial on how to do a few problems. So we're looking at example number 1A, converting 130 kilometers per hour to meters per second. So we have 130 kilometers per hour, and we're going to multiply this by fractions to get a result that is going to be in meters per second. So before you start to put your fractions in, you have to remember what are the relationships to go from, say, kilometers to meters and hours to seconds. And if you recall, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So really, there are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get rid of the kilometers and have meters on the top and hours and have seconds on the bottom. So we're going to multiply on the top by 1 hour to get rid of the hours here and have 3,600 seconds on the bottom now. And then we're also going to multiply by 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer on the bottom, so the kilometers on the top here will cancel out with the kilometers on the bottom there. So in essence, you have 130 times 1,000 meters all over 3,600 seconds. And that will give you an answer of 36.1 meters per second roughly. We've rounded off here to 3 significant digits, which is often what we do in AP Physics B. We're not going to worry about significant figures. So in general, we're using 3 significant figures. Let's move on to example B now. We're converting 1.36 times 10 to the power 4 kilograms per meter cubed, and we're going to convert that into grams per centimeter cubed. So once again, we need to know what the relationship is between a kilogram and a gram. And if you recall, 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams in that. And we also need to know what is 1 meter cubed to centimeters cubed. Now this people get often confused because in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters, and so often people will think, oh, it's 1 meter cubed equals 100 centimeters cubed, and that's wrong. It's 1 meter cubed is really 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, or really 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters, which is really 100 centimeters cubed. So that's really 100 cubed centimeters cubed is what 1 meter cubed is. And a lot of people make that mistake. So let's now move on to the example now and use these two relationships here. So now we're going to get rid of the kilograms. So we'll multiply by 1,000 grams all over 1 kilogram. So you'll see that the kilograms here and the kilograms here will cancel out, and you'll have grams on the top. And then we'll multiply by 1 meter cubed on the top, which is equivalent to 100 times 100 times 100 centimeters cubed. And this will give you an answer of 13.6 grams per centimeter cube. Okay, so that's our bit on converting units, and you can go ahead and try the worksheet now, and I have solutions listed up on Blackboard.